All right, what happens when you multiply or divide both sides by a negative in an inequality? So I'm going to show you this by an example first, and then we'll talk about it. So let's say I have -1 and 7. Right now, which one's greater? It's the 7. The 7 one is the one that's greater. Fabulous. Now, let's say I multiply both sides by a -2. Just say I do that. So I have a -2 times a -1, and I get 2. And I have -2 times a 7, and I get -14. Which one is greater now, the +2 or the -14? It's the +2. What happened to my inequality right there? It flipped directions. This is happening because we flipped which side of 0 we were on. So because we flipped which side of 0 we're on, we're flipping which one is greater. So we actually literally changed the greater than placement of them. So you're going to flip the inequality. That's what we do. So let's go ahead and try this. So right here, I notice that if -8x is greater than 72. So if I divide both sides by -8, I end up with x is less than, because we divided by both sides by a negative, we need to flip that inequality sign around. And 72 divided by -8, we're going to use a calculator because I'm tired, is -9. So I'm going to go to -9. We're going to go ahead and say that's -9. It's an open circle because it doesn't have an underline. It's pointing to the left. And it goes on forever. So we have an arrow, which is a parenthesis, and an open circle, which is a parenthesis. This is -infinity if it's pointing to the left, and that goes all the way to -9. All right, I want you guys to go ahead and give these two problems a shot. And you've totally got this. I would also notice that the variable's on the wrong side right now. That might be something you want to fix. All right, you've got this. Have an awesome day.